Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, so yun ang ating titingnan. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, alam nyo naman na to, pero sa mga bago dyan, meron tayong protection from evil eye, okay, ring, necklace, bracelets, okay, and syempre yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So meron itong citrine, okay, citrine is for money. Yes, totoo yung citrine. Okay, totoong stone yung citrine. So na-connect tayo, no, na-connect tayo sa nature. Oo, so meaning to say, hindi ito haka-haka lamang. Oo, so meron tayong citrine dito for money. Okay, so kung ikaw lalaki, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang gamitin for money or for love. And ilagay mo lang siya sa red pouch. Okay, so yung atin namang granter, yung taga-grant. Oo, yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Mga minamanifest, mga wish mo, and nagpo-provide siya ng, sabihin nating simple, o maliliit lang. Oo, pwede kasing maliit or minsan malaki na surprises. Weekly. Okay po, weekly. Tandaan nyo, weekly. Okay? So, this is unisex by the way and made to order. And yung ating pangtanggal, alat. Pangtanggal, MALAS. Opo. So, siya si cord cut. Okay? So, kung hindi nyo siya bet na isuot, pwede nyo naman siyang ilagay sa white pouch. Okay? Pwedeng pang alis ng kung ano man na hindi magandang energy sa business, sa bahay, mga ganyan. And, syempre, I need your real name. Kung sino yung magmamay-ari. So, kung kayo magre-regalo ng ganito, kailangan ko yung real name nung pagre-regaluhan or nung pagbibigyan. Okay? So, yun lang po, ha? So, again, kung may tanong, message na lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. Yeah. So, let's see. Let's start with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. No, boko. Yeah, sandali lang po ha. Sandali lamang. Yes. Okay. Let's start. So, ano bang meron for our air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Messages for air signs. Okay. Ano to? Ano daw? 8 of Swords. Okay, 8 of Swords in reverse. Maganda actually yung card na to kapag naka-reverse kasi meaning niyan ay makakaalis ka na sa mga stress. Andyan yung may mga masasagot na. Okay, may masasagot in general, nakatanungan, kalinawan kasi yan, no? So, ano tong 8 of Swords in reverse? The Sun. Yeah, this is nice. So, this is clarity. Some of you, may mga masasagot, may mga makaka-release. Some of you, ikaw itong makakakuha ng unexpected na tulong. Maybe this week. Okay, maybe this week. So, stress, hindi ko nakikita na sobrang may stress. Okay, yung mga air sign, makaka-release kayo sa stress. Ngayong week, i-close na natin yon ha. Oo, close na natin yan na walang masyadong stress ngayong week para sa'yo, air signs. No? Oo, so, some of you, you'll hear a good news. Good news pagdating sa pera mo. Kasi puro pentacles yung nakikita ko kanina. Okay? May ma-approve. May ma-approve. I'm hearing some of you, ikaw itong lalabas. Meron kang pupuntahan somewhere na pwedeng alam mong makakapagsaya ka. Ha? Makakapagsaya. Oo. So, what else? Or a message na pwedeng isasama ka. Parang ganyan. And igagrab mo yon. sasama ka doon, parang ganyan. What else? See? The money. Ten of Pentacles. In the reversed. Okay. May gastos. Ako nakikita kasi merong panggastos. Okay. Ano tong Ten of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah. Ang galing. Wheel of Fortune. May gastos kasi may magagastos. Okay. May panggastos. Parang ganyan. The Sun, the Wheel of Fortune. This is nice. This is so nice. Yeah. Some of you, nakukuha ko na pwedeng mayroon dito magpaparenovate ng bahay. Okay, renovation, mayroong ipapagawa. As simple as sabihin nating pagdating sa bahay, mayroong i-fix or mayroon ditong bibili ng appliances, mga ganyang bagay. I'm hearing may bibili ng sofa. Or yeah, in general, gamit sa bahay ngayong week na ito. Okay? Ngayong week na to. Iba nga dito, pwedeng ano lang gift. Okay, gift lang. Bigay lang. Diba? It's a surprise. Something like that. So, maalala nyo ako kapag nangyari yan ngayong week. And yes, nakikita ko some of you. Maaalala talaga ako. Kasi mangyayari. Kita ko. Okay. So, ano to? 7 of Cups in reversed. And the Star in reverse. Oh. Ano to? Okay. Nagbilang 1, 2, 3, 4 pa. Okay. Ito lang ang nakikita kong magbibigay sa'yo ng kaunti ang, alam mo na, isipin. Kung ikaw ay merong ex, at alam mong pwede ka naman balikan anytime, magpaparamdam to. Ngayong week. May magpaparamdam na ex ngayong week. So, mararamdaman mo ang kahabaan ng hair mo. No? Mararamdaman mo na ay ang pogi-pogi ko. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay? Some of them, di pa sila makamove on. See? Page of Cups. Some of them, magsasabi ng sorry. Sana ganto, ganyan. The Knight of Cups, here they are. May magpaparamdam na ex. Okay? I don't know kung i-entertain mo. Some of you, hindi mo i-entertain to. Yung parang hindi mo bibigay yung sarili mo ng stress. Alam mo yung energy, alam mo yung pakaramdam na may ex na humahabol, so hindi mo masyado bibigyan ng atensyon. Kaya feeling mo napaka importante mong tao. Ganon. May ganon ako nakikita sa iba sa inyo ngayong week. No? So, next. Fire signs. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, anong message for you? Anong message for our fire signs? The Queen of Swords in the reverse. And the Ten of Wands, I think. The Ten of Wands. Kung sino man to, nakokonsensya to. Somebody na gumawa ng mali sa'yo. In general. Nakokonsensya sila. Andun yung parang, sila na yung parang nabibigatan. Okay? Nakokonsensya Ha? Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords. May nakokonsensya. Some of you, itong taong to is talagang gumawa ng hindi tama sa'yo in general. Lahat-lahat ng hindi tama. Pwedeng nag-cheat siya sa'yo, pwedeng nagsinungaling siya, somebody na pwedeng nagtatago rin ng kung ano man from you. Hindi nila kayang sabihin, I don't know why. Okay, ano to? 5 of Wands. Maybe kaya nila tinatago is maybe to avoid such drama. Mga ganyang bagay. Pero hindi na nila kinakaya to. Hindi na nila kinakaya. Okay? Nagre-result na to ng stress sa kanila. May nakokonsensya dito. I don't know who's who. Could be an air sign or a fire sign like you. Or maybe an air sign. Okay, an air sign na talagang may gumawa ng hindi maganda or may tinatago. So, para na silang burden. May nakokonsensya. Some of you, pwedeng ilagay ka sa third party. Ngayon, nakokonsensya na. What else? The Queen of Cups in reversed. The Nine of Swords. Grabe naman. Marami bang nakagawa ng mali sa'yo, fire signs? Marami bang nakagawa ng mali sa'yo? Ten of Cups in reversed. Meron pang isa dito. Hindi naman to makatulog na. Pwedeng water sign, air. Anong meron dito sa Queen of Cups na naka-reverse? Pero ibang nakikita ko rito. The Nine of Wands. Some of them, this person is hiding their emotions for you. Okay? I think this person likes you. Takot lang ito na maging upfront or mag-approach sa'yo. Okay? This person wants you. Feeling like in love. They're in love. Okay? Or maybe wanting na magkaroon muli ng reconnection sa inyong dalawa. Pero feeling niya you're guarded. Your back is turned. There's no chance like that. That's why you're in their head. You're living in their head rent-free. Okay? Okay, the Star. Yung pinapangarap mong trabaho, yung pinapangarap mong negosyo, may chance matupad. Okay? So, just be consistent. Okay? Samahan ng kasipagan. The Star, the Eight of Pentacles. Okay? The Four of Pentacles. If you're looking for, sabihin nating wish, no, na makapag-ipon, yes, makakapag-ipon ka. Okay, meron kang something na parang tinatrabaho kasi gusto mong may mangyaring mas maganda or parang meron kang gustong makuha. And yes, makukuha mo yon. Ilak natin. Okay, makukuha mo yon. Grantor and ating love and money and yung ating cord cut. So, for you na yun, kung sino man, claim mo na. Okay? So, yeah. This is nice. This is nice. Kasi wala akong nakikitang energy ng red flag dito Okay? Ito yung nakikita kong energy na parang okay, sa ikabubuti to. Parang ganyan. So, yeah. Kiklaim mo to. Makiklaim mo yan. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, next. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see. What's for you, water signs? What is for our water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Five of Wands. Six of Pentacles in reversed. The Ace of Coins. The Three of Wands universe. Okay, so this is like one-sidedness. This is like one-sided. I don't know kung saang parte to. Relasyon ba? Pero nakukuha ko dito is this is obvious. May obvious na parang hindi ko alam kung ikaw ba ay ginagamit or namimera. Parang ganyan. This is talking about pera. Yeah, the King of Coins universe. Self-centered. I don't know if this is talking about practicality, pero this is like panggagamit. And yeah, this is obvious. This is too obvious. With an earth sign or a fire sign. Page of Coins, universe. Ten of Coins. Somebody, sabihin nating nawawala yung focus sa pagkakaroon nila ng sarili nilang pera because may nagpo-provide. May nagpo-provide. Okay? Maybe you need to hear or you need to know na may ganyang energy surrounding you. Or maybe some of you, pwedeng ikaw ang gumagawa nito sa iba. Or maybe hindi ka aware. What else? The Knight of Swords universe. Judgment. Okay, so sinasabi rito na iwasan yung masyadong pagmamadali. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay. Queen of Wands universe. Maybe bago mag-judge. Okay, tingnan muna kung tama ba yung sasabihin or what. Before magsalita, isipin muna. Parang ganun. Okay? Parang think before you click. Parang ganyan. If this is talking about online. Regarding online. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. And some of you, somebody needs to hear this. Be careful what you wish for. Because you just might get it. Okay, some of you. Be careful what you wish for. Pwede kasing makuha mo eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong wini-wish mo. It depends. That's general. Kasi pwedeng mag-manifest. Yung may mga grantor dyan, please, gamitin nyo sa tama. Okay? Gamitin nyo sa tama. So, what else? The Seven of Cups. Iwasan nyo tumanggap ng maraming trabaho ngayong week. Okay? Para hindi mag-overlap or para hindi masabotahe. Okay? Atong Seven of Cups. Yeah, King of Swords. Alamin mo kung anong mga dapat lang. Kung anong pwede mong oohan at hindian. Huwag niyong pagsabay-sabayin. Okay? Yeah, Strength. The Five of Swords, yeah, to avoid conflicts. Ten of Pentacles. Justice. Somebody is in their head. Kaya nagkakaroon ng confusion. Some of you, I don't know, may chance na pwede kayong merong exam, board, or whatsoever, na parang kailangan attentive ka. Hindi ka pwedeng ma-mental block, something like that. Some of you, kailangan mo depensahan yung sarili mo, hindi ka dapat maaligaga. Parang ganyan. Alam mo kung anong dapat, alam mo kung anong kailangan. Avoid ninyong ma-confuse, avoid ninyong ma-mental block dahil lang sa hindi kayo prepared or what. Some of you, okay? Iwasan natin yung bibigyan natin yung sarili natin ng parang confusion na magdadala rin naman sa atin sa hindi maganda. Okay? Huwag kang matakot rin na sabihin kung anong dapat at kung anong totoo. Okay? Meron ditong Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Iba dito pwede kasing haharap sa mga kaso, mga ganyan. Okay? Meron ditong hindi handa eh. I don't know kung sino. Pwedeng meron ditong hindi sisipot. Okay? Sa napag-usapang schedule, like hearing, mga ganyang bagay. So there. So yun lamang. Okay? So next, our earth signs. Okay? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Hindi ko alam kung kay water sign or kay earth sign itong message na to. I'm hearing avoid ninyo na parang makompromise. Okay? Avoid yung makompromiso ngayong week. So, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. What's for you? Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yun nga, follow yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung love letter. Okay? So, earth signs, what's for you? What is for our earth signs? The Page of Coins in reverse. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. The Six of Coins, yeah. The Page of Coins in reverse, the Six of Coins in reverse. The Ace of Swords. Specific. May na-pending dito. Okay, may na-pending dito na pera. Pwedeng dumating na. Lalo na kung ito ay online. Pwedeng darating na or pwedeng makukuha mo na. I'm hearing check eh. Some of you. Okay? So, makukuha mo na kung ano man to. Regarding pera po. Okay? Regarding pera. So, dito yan. The Ace of Swords. Meron din ditong makakatanggap ng message or follow-up message na naglalaman ng sagot, naglalaman ng clarity or kung ano man. Some of you pwedeng ma-hired. Okay? Back pay. May naririnig din akong ganun. What else? King of Cups in reverse. And the Three of Swords. Oh. Somebody is heartbroken. Who's this person? Heartbroken. Temperance. They're waiting for you. The Five of Swords. Could be a water sign, air sign, Sagittarius. They're heartbroken. Why? Some of them, yeah, you have endings with this person. That is why. The Emperor in reverse, somebody na hindi marunong mag-step up, hindi marunong lumaban. Okay? Some of you, na-disappoint ka ng taong to. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Now, nakukuha ko itong taong to, pwedeng may mga gusto siyang gawin na sa ngayon pagdating sa connection nyo. Pero, yun nga lang, again, hindi niya alam kung paano mag-reach out or mag-approach. Somebody is hiding na talagang sila ay nasasaktan sa sitwasyon. Could be a father or a mother figure. feeling betrayed. Meron ditong parang feeling betrayed or naka-betray sila. Hindi sila marunong umako ng kasalanan, some of them. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. What is this? Two of Wands. Oh, there's blockage here. There's blockage. Anong meron? Who's giving you these blockages? Who's giving you these blockages? Some of you, there's a lot of pending. There's a lot of pending. Procrastinations. Yung energy is like nasa ano eh. Ang tawag dyan? Parang crossroads. Parang ganyan. Should I take this or this? Parang ganyan. Let's see. The Five of Cups in reversed. Who's giving you? Ah, okay. The Devil. The attachments. Yung mga pinipilit ninyo. Okay? Something, kung ano man. Kung ano man tong mga pinipilit niyo sa ngayon, ito yung parang nagbibigay hadlang lalo. Ang sinasabi rito is hayaan nyo lang muna. The Five of Cups in reversed. Okay? Yes, mahirap sabihin yung just go with the flow. Kaya paano po yun, just go with the flow? Lalo na kaming walang ginawa. Ang nakikita ko rito, this is universe. This is frequency. If you're fighting the current, lalo kang mahihirapan. Just go with the flow. Okay? Some of you, ang nangyayari dito, ang nagbibigay ng hadlang sa kung ano man na gusto nyong mangyari is kayo mismo. Dinadala kayo sa tama. Dinadala kayo doon sa dapat. Pero nilalabanan nyo. Kaya lalo kayong nahihirapan. Lalo kayong nabibigatan. Okay? Iba naman dito kasi you're too attached sa kung ano, sa kung saan. Sa kung anong dahilan mo. Attached ka pa rin. Or kung hindi man kayo aware na attached pa rin kayo, pwedeng ibang tao ang naka-attach sa inyo. Kaya hindi kayo madala ng agos. This is deep. Sana nakukuha nyo. Para kayo nakatali, so hindi kayo madala ng alon, ng agos. Hindi kayo pinapakawala ng mga tao na ayaw pa rin mag-detach sa inyo. Some of you, tutulungan ko na kayo. Sige. So, lagay natin to dito. Si cord cut. At itong ating granter. Okay, so si granter. Kung sino man yung nakaka-resonate dito. Oo. So, help ko kayo energetically. Okay, so sana ma-detach na sa mga bagay-bagay na nagbibigay ng burdens sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah, there. And, para gumaan-gaan naman yung energy. Okay, so yun. Ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, don't forget rin po na i-follow yung ating FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung ating love letter. Again, thank you. Goodbye.